Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm going to show you guys how to create Audiomack account. So firstly, before we start, if you're new on this channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. But before you do that, please like this particular video. Okay, let's share the screen. Let me show you guys what we are going to do today. Okay. Firstly, to create Audiomack account, you're going to www.audiomack.com. Then once you enter Audiomack page, this is how it's going to show you. Then let me ship this. This is really distracting. Once you come to this place right now, then you go to sign in or sign up. Understand? So we are going to sign up. What we are going to do right now, we want to create an account. So we are going to sign up. Understand? So once you click sign up, it will bring you to this page. Here, you are going to put in your email. So my email is already here. My email is onlinelegithustle@gmail.com. So you're going to put your own email. So once you put your email, then you select name, choose a name, choose a username. So let me choose online hostel. Okay. Then I will choose my password. You must choose a strong password. So let me choose my password. Okay. Then click I'm not a robot. Once you click I'm not a robot, they will bring out this thing. Then you know how you're going to fix it. Then you fix it. Then come down to sign up. So we are submitting your file. So I want to save my password. So that is, so let me save it. So I'm trying to save the password on the PC. So wait for me. So once you fill in your mail, choose username and password, it will take you to this place. So here is when is your date of birth. Let me mine. I'm still a small boy. Then let me 4th May 1996. That's my date of birth. Okay, is that April? Sorry, I did it upside down. So this is the correct one. Then you choose your gender. If you are the male, if you're male, then you put male. If you're female, you put female. So like you all know, I'm a guy man, so I'm going to put male. Then finish. Once you fill it, then you press on finish. Network is really disturbing us on this one. Wait a minute, let me check my network. Sorry. Okay, it's signing in. So congratulations, we've created an Audiomack account. This is how it looks like. Due to all these things showing is because we clicked the thing many times. So this is how to create an Audiomack account. Let me show you. Here is your profile. This is online hustle. Here is my profile. You see my profile. I want to remove all this nonsense. They are disturbing us. So this is how it looks like. I have 0 favorites, 0 playlists, 0 followings, 0 followers. Understand? So if you want to edit your profile, here is how you're going to do it. You click on edit. Hope you saw what I did. I went to this edit profile. Understand? So if you want to select a banner, you just click on add banner. I don't think I have image here, but let me find image, just little image. Let me add. Once you go to, I went to download, then here is my image. So I'm adding this image. So once I add it, then I come to this save, then press save. The banner is saving. Here is the banner now. The banner has saved. And if I want to upload a profile picture, I'm going to come here, click on the profile picture, select any image that I want. Here, I've updated my profile picture. Understand? If you want to change your name, here you come and type any name you want. If you have a record label, you put in your record label, hometown. If you have website, you put your website. Write a short biography about yourself. Select your genre. Have many of them: spiritual, poetry, audio story, educational, something, some blah blah blah, hip hop, R&B, electronic, reggae, pop, Afrobeat, and so on and so. Okay. Hope you understand that. If you have a Facebook account, a Facebook page, you connect your Facebook page. Then if you have a YouTube channel, you put in your YouTube channel and everything. So after adding all those stuff, then you click on update profile, click on it and save. Okay, now. So that's how to create Audiomack accounts. So hope you understood the video. Guys, please, if you're new on this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. Understand? We are going to create many videos. This is not the first, this is not going to be the last. Understand? We are creating more videos on how to make money online, how to publish as for bloggers, how to publish on WordPress, how to upload song on Audiomack, how to distribute your music on digital platforms, many things. As you can see, our channel is online hustle, so we do many things here. You're going to learn a lot. Understand? So subscribe on this channel for more videos. I love you guys. Don't forget to like this particular video. Please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to like the video. Oh, guys, see you on my next video. Thank you. God bless you.